friends.
Let's look at the color of these balls.
What is this?
Wow! Look at this place. Awesome! Amazing! Looks interesting.
What are we going to learn today?
I will show you how.
Hey, hello kids! Roll with me. Yes, we are going to learn animals.
Let's go over there.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah!
Here we go. This is red. This is cow. Let's go for the next.
Yeah! Let's do the next one. This is green. This is monkey. That looks fantastic. I'm so proud of you.
This is blue. This is giraffe.
This is yellow. This is duck.
This is pink. This is crocodile.
This is purple. This is rabbit.
That is awesome.
That was wonderful. Thank you.
Perfect. See you guys
Next with new exciting things.
Hello, kids. Hey, watch out. Look over here. Oh, wow.
Hello, friends. Let's come with us. This place looks so much fun. What are we going to learn today?
We are going to learn alphabets.
Okay, let's do this.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Hey, hello, kids.
What's happening here? Did you see that? They are going to be so much fun. I will show you how. Let's go.
Okay, let's do this. Let's go over there.
This is Python.
Let's do the next one. What shall we do next?
What do you think?
This is crocodile. Shall we do next?
This is gorilla.
Now it's your time.
This is monkey. Yippee!
This is cheetah. Ooh.
Yes, this is hippopotamus.
This is lion. That looks fantastic. This is rhinoceros. Woohoo!
This is an ostrich. Yahoo!
This is zebra. I'm waiting. Hurry up.
This is an elephant.
This is giraffe. Here we go. Yahoo! Amazing. Looks perfect. See you guys next with new exciting things. Hey, watch out! Look over here. Oh, wow! Hello, friends. Look at the color of these balls. Hey, what's going on? Well, Dad has a plan for today. Let's go. Okay, let's do this. Whoa! Yellow color. Hey, you are next. Wow! Cyan color. Pink color. Red color. Blue. Green color. Purple color. An orange color. Watch out! Numbers.
What's happening here?
Well, that has a plan for today.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, let's go.
Oh, wow! One. Two. Three. Four. Five. This is funny.
That is awesome.
Six. Seven. Eight. Nine. 10. That was wonderful. Thank you. Hey, watch out. Oh, wow. Hello, kids. Let's play.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me?
A for an apple tree, B for a barn, C for cow, D for dog, E for eggs, F for farmer, G for goose, H for hay, I for ice, J for jam, K for kitten, L for llama, M for milk, N for nest, O for an owl, P for pig, Q for quail, R for rooster, S for signed, T for tractor, U for an umbrella, V for veteriner, W for watermelon, X for x-ray, Y for yams, Z for zinnia.
Amazing looks interesting. Hello, friends. Hey, watch out. Oh, wow. Hello, friends. Oh, wow! Look at this place. Awesome. Who wants to play? Let's go! Amazing looks interesting. Yes, we are going to learn animals. Let's play. What shall we do next? Perfect! This is an elephant. Let's do the next one. Perfect! This is hippopotamus. Let's go for the next. Perfect! This is rhinoceros. Let's go for the next. Perfect! This is giraffe. Let's go for the next. Perfect! This is dog. That was wonderful. Thank you. Next, with new exciting things.